What's up, YouTube? I'm here today with a package unit. Here to change the inducer motor on this package unit, and stay tuned and watch. If you use an angle bit, it might be easier. I'm just using this. The person before me did, and the screws went in kind of crooked. When I put it back, I put it in with an angle bit. I have my magnetic plate right here, so I don't lose my screws, because I am kind of a ditz with screws. I lose them, so either I buy a pack of screws, or I put them on my magnetic plate. Simple as that. Disconnect this gas valve. Blue on the right, red on the left. Make sure the power's off, guys, please. Extension bit. I'm gonna put my gloves on. You guys don't have to see that, so. Back in action. One. So. So this will be kind of tight sometimes. It's kind of, sometimes from just being there for so long, dust and stuff, grime just glues it together. Just give it a little, like, back and forth, not too hard. It'll pop right out, slide right out. So. Just like that, guys. Here and get the new motor. So these 3 screws, we'll take it off and connect it to the new inducer. Stay tuned. That's off. And 2 and 3. Simple as that. Comes right off. Take this up here. Old gasket. Now remember, when you're putting this plate on, this exhaust will be facing outward towards the outside, and then this will be facing towards us, these 2 screws. So it's on the upward side. So what I'm gonna do is put this bracket back on like this. And so this is pretty simple, fast, easy to be done. Alright. This one. Two. This extension makes it harder, so I'm gonna take this off. Make it easier myself. Boom. last but not least, that's it. That's all there is to it, guys. Now we're gonna put this back in the unit. Again, this is a packaged unit. It's not RTU. It's like an indoor furnace, basically. Goes in your closet or wherever you want to put it. Under your window. Could go in many places. Spinning. We have a brand new inducer. So now, I'm going to place this back in. Before I do that, I'm going to connect the hose for my pressure switch. Make it easier on me. And now I'm going to slide it back in. Nice and gentle. That was it. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. So now, put my extension back on. I don't want to take my arm all the way in there. Let's put 2 screws. Stick my middle arm in there. And that's it. This could be done within 10 minutes. It took me 7 minutes. One. And 2. So you guys, I was going to put this back up with an angle bit. So I'll keep my word on that. Pressure switch. This back in. Let's get my angle bit. All this under 10 minutes. And let's remove this, that, and that. Simple as that. A board. Place it right back on screws. As a matter of fact, you could tell the guy who really did this was a complete idiot, because you can actually mount the screws before mounting the board. And he already messed up the threads, I guess, and kind of slammed it, but that's cool. It'll straighten out once I get it all the way in. Future reference, you don't have to. That went in pretty straight. You have to hold the board up. You can't hold it up. It's got 2 that fall right in place. No easier than that. Okay. Right on the left. Go on the right. Back in action. Power's back on. We have a heartbeat. Everything seems to be okay. Let's turn on the T-stat and see what it says. Thermostat is turned on. Oh wow, look. Our inducer is running. Let's see if we have heat. Gas valve looks like it's open. Oh yeah. There you go, guys. Easy as that. I did all of that under 15 minutes. So hit that button. No, more like smash that button, like and subscribe.